Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. So we're going to show you the Blackvue dashcam installed on 2019 Audi S5. It's also been installed with the Blackvue B-124 battery pack. So we have the main camera in here. The second camera is on the top of the rear windshield. We've hidden the battery pack so it will be nice and clean so the customer won't see it. The power has actually been taken behind the lighter here, so we have removed all the dash to do it. We don't install two diffuse boxes. We've seen that many times, overloading or giving troubles. Sometimes can even get push buttons not to work, so we go directly to the source. In this case we had the lighter, works as accessory, so that gives us a great power. So if you need to do an installation of dash cams in your vehicles, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.